Hi, this is Nancy, proud member of the RE/MAX Realty team. We're standing out in front of 7141 Rolling Side Court in the Bridgemont neighborhood in Citrus Heights. This home was on the market for, I'd say, about 40 days. We got 5 offers in, but each time the buyers wanted to get concessions. They wanted the seller to pay everything. The seller stood her ground. The seller was like, no, the house is worth it. We're going to sell it full asking price. We're not going to do any repairs. So that's what actually ended up happening. We got just about close to full asking price. This is in such a beautiful neighborhood. It's so private here. And we're going to be closing in 2 days to one very, very lucky buyer. And so let's take a peek inside and I'll show you the inside. I'll show you what a beautiful location this property is in. The property is located right at the end of a cul-de-sac. Very, very private, secluded area. Quiet, no neighbors on 3 sides, and there's just one neighbor on one side that's fairly far away. As you're walking up, there is a nice walkway and a beautiful breezeway as you're walking up to the house. It has a brick wall in the front, and the entryway has got high ceilings. It's very nice and open. Ice cube wall right there on a cripple wall. Here is a dining area with a slider, and the kitchen area is nice and open. It has a little alcove off to the side. And it's really nice and open kitchen. The living room has a brick fireplace. The master suite is what really makes the house really nice. The master suite is in the front of the house. And I should call it primary. Sorry, primary suite. I'll never get used to that. And here's a bathroom. It's got a walk-in closet off to the side. Really nice and roomy walk-in closet. Shelving in it. Fit a fair amount of clothes. And then this is it's a 3/4 bathroom that's in the primary suite. And I love the stonework. Really nice stonework, window. And then it has a huge mirror. Dual sinks. Medicine cabinet. That's a nice touch with a woodwork medicine cabinet. And here again is a bay window. It's got an archway up on top in the primary suite. It's a good size. And then off in the hallway, there is a linen closet right here, or a coat closet, and the washer and the dryer hookups right here in the closet. So it's all on the same floor. And right here is the hall bath. It's got one sink. It's a full bath. Everything's really nice and clean too. The glass to the shower, very clean. Here is one of The bedroom's right here. And then this has storage in the hallway. And this is the third bedroom. Another outstanding feature of this house is the proximity to the park. You have beautiful park setting right in your backyard. Look at this. This is your backyard right here. It's so nice. So nice. And actually, this air conditioner unit was a sticking point in the sale. Some people wanted it replaced. They wanted it, to be worked on. They wanted to get money taken off. But as I said, the seller just really stuck to her ground. And I backed her up for every one of the buyers that came in, because this is replaceable. Half a day, it can be replaced. This and the outdoors is something that can never be replaced. Location, location, location. Just a beautiful property, and it's going to one very, very, very lucky buyer. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for my upcoming listings. Again, this is Nancy, proud member of the RE/MAX Realty team. My phone number is 530-313-3158. Thanks so much for watching.